I'm Weather and Radar meteorologist Mary Mays with a look back at the severe weather outbreak that happened Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday morning. Violent storms spawned multiple tornadoes, and unfortunately, two people lost their lives in Montgomery County in Alabama after a tornado hit the Flatwood community. The National Weather Service office in Birmingham confirmed preliminary EF1 damage in that location. There were over 35 reports of tornadoes extending from northern Louisiana into Mississippi and Alabama. Dozens of wind and hail reports as well, even up into Kentucky. The majority of the damage was located in Mississippi and Alabama, but tornadoes were also spotted in Louisiana. This is in Mamou, Louisiana, and this video shows what may have been a tornado. The threat for severe weather was ongoing for 16 hours. A squall line produced multiple tornado warnings Wednesday morning in the Florida Panhandle. So why did we see this type of outbreak in November? It's not as unusual as you might think. This time of year, cold air is clashing with that warm, moist air coming off the Gulf, and it can produce some really powerful storm systems. The Mid-South in particular sees severe weather quite often this time of year. The threat of severe weather was quite elevated with this system, and a very rare, particularly dangerous situation, or PDS tornado watch, was put in effect for this storm system. The threat for nocturnal tornadoes was also a big concern that unfortunately became a reality. These photos were taken by Hayden Lester, and they show a large tornado on the ground in Mound, Louisiana after sunset. What a terrifying thing to see at night. Speaking of tornadoes at night, one hit near Bassfield, Mississippi. That area was hit by an EF4 tornado in 2020 on Easter Sunday. Brandon Lee took the video of that cell from afar, and what an intense storm. Look at that lightning. Damage is still being assessed, but downed power lines, trees, and structural damage is present throughout many communities. Structures on Main Street in Summerton, Alabama suffered roof damage. You can see that here in these photos taken by Summerton Fire and Rescue. Cleanup is underway. In total, the National Weather Service issued 141 severe thunderstorm warnings and 76 tornado warnings with this event between Tuesday afternoon and Wednesday morning. The best way to protect yourself and your family is to stay alert. The Weather and Radar app has all you need to make sure that you stay safe, and we have up-to-the-minute updates on our live blog when severe weather strikes. Download the app today.